Chapter 8, Periodic Properties of the Elements. There's a picture, or a painting of Dmitri Mendeleev. We've mentioned him before. He ordered elements by atomic mass and saw a repeating pattern in the properties, and this is summarized in the periodic law. When elements are arranged in order of increasing atomic mass, certain properties recur periodically. So he used the patterns that he observed to predict elements that had not been discovered yet. There were a couple of places where the atomic mass order didn't fit with other properties, and so he followed the other properties. An example of this is tellurium and iodine. So if you look up here on the periodic table, the masses are increasing as we go across, but tellurium has a mass of 127.6 and iodine's 126.9. So they are out of mass order, but they are in the correct position based on the properties that they share with the elements above and below. Mendeleevs' predictions were incredibly accurate. He predicted something he called eka-aluminum, below aluminum. Here are his predicted properties, and here are the actual properties. He also predicted another element, the one below silicon, which was later discovered and named germanium, and his predictions there were also very accurate. So Dmitri's periodic law helps us to predict what the properties are, and Dmitri Mendeleev did this without even knowing what an electron was, but it doesn't explain why those patterns exist. Quantum mechanics is the theory that explains why the patterns exist. And when we know why something occurs, that allows us to predict even more what will occur.